Now, what is congruency? Congruency means exactly the same length and angle. So if I say ABC is congruent to PQR, it means angle A is congruent to angle P, means angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR, and AC is equals to PR. So that's how you make the pairs. This is equal to this is equal to this, and these are equal to these. These are the sides. Now there are 4 rules of congruency. Number 1 is SSS, that is side, 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 where you're able to prove that all sides are equal. Second is SAS, side, angle, side. Any 2 sides and beech ka angle. It has to be the angle in between only. AAS, any 2 angles and 1 side. Fourth is RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, and 1 side. All right, so now let's do a couple of questions because these properties are relatively easy. It's about the questions that makes this topic a little tricky. All right. So the first question says, question 3, show that triangles LNQ and LNP are congruent. So LMQ is congruent with LNP. Can I, and the mentioned angles are equal to each other. जो इन्होंने mark किए होते हैं, they're all equal to each other. Can I say angle M is equal to angle N given in the question? Can I say angle L is equals to angle L because it's common angle? And then when I say, can I say these 2 angles are equal because in दोनों के half equal हैं? So this makes LMN is an isosceles triangle because angle M is equals to angle N. Therefore, LM is equals to LN. The sides these are equal. So according to the AAS property, they're congruent. Right? Now, next question is MPN is equal to MQN. Now, angle M is equal to angle N. Can I say angle R is equal to angle R because they are vertically opposite? So can I say angle P is equals to angle Q? Therefore, the straight lines MQ and NP intersect at R. So what is the special name given to LPRQ? So that's kite. Let's move on to the next example question, this one. Show that ABC is congruent to CYA. Interesting. Can I say AX is 3, so AY is also 3? Because these are both radii. So AY is equal to BC, which is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay. Next is that, can I say AC is equals to CA because this is common side? AC is equals to CA, common side. BC is equals to YA, मैंने 3 proof कर ही दिया है. अच्छा, CY is the radius 5 और यहाँ पर AB length is already been given 5. So CY is equals to AB, which is equal to 5 centimeters. So according to SSS property, they're congruent. Okay. Show that the area of the quadrilateral ABCX, which is all of this, and AYCX, if I highlight it, this area is equal to AYCX. to this area. So we have to basically prove the yellow area is equal to the green area. So how do we go about it? Can I say ABC area hai that is equal to ABC plus AXC, or you can say when you double ABC, तो आपके पास वही चीज निकल के आ जाती है, is 2 times ABC. And if I look at AYCX, it's double the area of AYC. And since I'm saying these two triangles are congruent, they will have same area. Therefore, area of ABCX is equal to area of AYCX. The name of the special quadrilateral AYCX, it's a kite. Let's move on to new questions. This is one of the most interesting questions. AEC is congruent to FBE. Okay. Let's look at this now. Can I say that angle E is equal to angle B, 90 degree, right angle in a semicircle? Because it's a right angle triangle circle property. Now, can I say that these are same equal radii here? So can I say AC length is equal to FE because it's equal to the diameter? Next आपके पास क्या चीज है? Let's say that EC is equal to BE. Achha, I always make combinations from here. I will check whether AC is equals to BFE. So AC is equals to FE because they're the diameters. So I've been able to prove two sides and one angle. So two sides SAS. All right. No, not SAS, it's RHS because I'm able to prove the right angle triangle, hypotenuse and one side, and I will say that they're congruent to each other. State another angle triangle which is congruent to AEC, which is AEC. AEC के another angle congruent is going to be DFB because that's another right angle triangle. Explain why EB is parallel to DF because these both angles are 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90 is equals to 180. Sum of angles between parallel lines is 180. Work out ABE. ये निकालना है मुझे. Okay. So this is going to be 60 degrees because all three sides are equal because they're all radius. So it's going to be 180 minus 60 gives you 120. This is also a very interesting question. Explain why the area of ACB, which is this, is equal to the triangle ADB. Okay, now if I look at the base of ACB, it's half into AB into height. And if I look at ADB, it's half into AB into height. And can I say that the height is common? Because this is the height and this is the height, common height. That's why the areas are equal. So you can write common height, that's why the areas are equal. Equal in area to HFK. This is HFK. If I take HF as the base, can I say this is going to be my height? If I say, okay, this is the same base, another triangle with the same height is going to be this. So therefore, I can say HFG as the same area. This is HFG. HEK, which is all of this, is equal in area to the quadrilateral HEFG, which is all of this. Okay, so if I look at so HEFG is made up of HEF plus HFG. And HEK is made up of HEF plus HFK. You have already established that HFK is equal to HFG. Therefore, the areas are equal. Because ये तो वैसे ही same triangles हैं. All right, let's move on to the next part. PAS, which is this, is congruent to QPB. All right, so this is a square. If I say AP is equals to X, this is also equal to BQ. So ये X है, ये भी X है. And since it's a square, so AB is equals to BC is equals to Y. And I'm considering the whole thing as Y. So can I say PB is equals to AS is equals to Y minus X, because ये पूरा Y है and this is X, right? AP is equals to BQ, which is equal to X. I'm saying AS is equals to BP, which is equal to Y minus X. Angle A is equals to angle B, which is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because it's a square, so all angles are 90, 90. Hence congruent. Two sides and one angle. SAS. Because over here I've proven two sides and I've proven the angle between them. Okay. Now the next question is show that AED and ACD are congruent. AE is equals to AC equals to common side. अच्छा, AD bisects. Bisects का मतलब होता है these two angles are equal. Angle A is equals to angle A because AD bisects BAC. One side, one angle has been proven. Acha, another would be, can I say AD is the common side? SAS property. ABD is X. Okay, you're saying ACD ke andar AED. So this is going to be Z because they're congruent. This is going to be 180 minus Z. 180 minus Z plus X plus Y equals to 180, cancels out. So Z is equals to X plus Y. Or no, you have to express X in terms of Y and Z.